Alright, let's see how the rest of Miss Evans' house looks today. Mine's fine again. See, it tore off all for new roofing they put on. Yeah, it did actually. That was last Friday's pile right there, and last Friday's window right there. And this is still last Friday stuff. But it tore off the rest of the window they put on there just, well, in the last 4 days. They tore it off. Last night's winds, though, it did some more damage. Oh shit, yeah, there's her brand new window she just had installed. Impaled on the handrail, crap. And the other window, crap. Alright. Oh man, it just ripped it right apart. Let me get her a picture of this and send it to her. All the roofing they just put on there is torn off. Yep, there's the new windows. Crap. Looks like some of the chairs survived though. Rocking chair. And a telescope. Wow. Huh. She's not gonna be happy. Yeah, the rocking chair survived. I tore the metal off this time. There's the new roof that was here. It's up there now. Wow.